Attention aspiring real estate photographers. That's you. Any photographer can start to make money from their photography by taking my How to Become a Real Estate Photographer course, because my course is based on my own personal experiences. So I know it works. If you want to earn money from your photography but don't know where to start, then I can help you with my course. Believe me, I've been there too, not knowing how to start making money from photography. Okay, full title of the course: How to Become a Real Estate Photographer, straight talking advice for beginners to get you making money quickly and build a career. That's snappy, isn't it? Okay, so this week on my photography blog, it's a sales page. Let's be brutally honest about it. It's a sales page written specifically to encourage you to buy my course. And let's be honest, why wouldn't you? I write about architectural photography, I write about construction photography, and I write about real estate photography on my blog. This is what I've been banging on about for weeks and weeks and weeks now. And the content has got better, the reactions have got better. There's been plenty of really good feedback to not only my blog posts, but also to my YouTube channel, where you are watching this now, hopefully. I'm sure I'm going to share this in other places, but yeah, the YouTube channel's growing so well, I'm absolutely delighted. So, yeah, my course. So what do I talk about in my blog this week? Well, in my course, you will learn how to take, process and issue real estate photos that clients will give you money for. And that's what this is all about, isn't it? I will tell you how to market yourself and get work that pays. I will teach you how to build a business, be it full-time or part-time. I will teach you how to be the standout photographer. That's the good bit, that. It really is, and I'm not going to tell you what it is now. You've got to buy my course for that, okay? Well, we've all got to make a living, haven't we? What else will I tell you? What you need to know. And no more. I don't tell you everything. I tell you what you need to know. Let's remember, it's called How to Become a Real Estate Photographer. It's not every aspect of real estate photography. It's just the getting started, getting going and building a business, gaining experience, gaining confidence. Okay? This takes time. This isn't a quick fix. It's not a make money quick scheme. This is a long-term, sustainable business that you can grow if you follow what I teach. Now then, I want to go back to the part-time, full-time thing. You can do this and have another job. If you're a student, you're at university, whatever, parent, looking after kids, you can do this as a part-time gig. Love that term, part-time gig. That's where the gig economy came from, apparently, and part-time gig. So you can do this. You're not going all in to full-time. And what I will say is this. When it costs you money going to work to do your day job, then you know you're getting towards the time when you need to change something, okay? That's my aim, and that should be your aim if you are serious about becoming a real estate photographer. Okay. You might have some questions, but I'm only a beginner. No problem, I cover that. What do I need to know to take your course? Just a basic understanding of photography. Do I need anything else? You need to be willing to learn, willing to trust me, and willing to work hard. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Easy for me to say. This is about building a business from the bottom up, okay? Using what I've learnt over the years, and nowhere else do I tell you everything that I do start to finish. This is the only place. So you don't know anything about real estate? Not a problem, I'll tell you that. Yes, I can get you started making money. You can learn from me. Because if you're looking at this now thinking, I just want to make some money from my photography, I just got no idea where to start. I was there in 2007, 2008 when I started taking my lifetime hobby a lot more seriously, and I didn't have a clue. So I can save you all the pain that I've been through, all the time, all the money I've wasted, all the pressure of doing jobs that I would never do again, that I wasn't really qualified to do. I don't like to say it really, but I got the job done, but just about, and it was a lot of it was seat of the pants stuff. And now I go and do a real estate shoot, and it's fine. It's the most enjoyable part of the process because everything else is prepared down to, I don't know what to say there. Everything else is prepared so well. I just turn up and take the photos and come back and process them. It's all done. It's all down. It's good. It's enjoyable because I got the experience, got the practice. I put the work in, and if you do the same, you can get to the same position, whatever that may be. Okay, right then. So why should you pay for this course? Well, why not? All this knowledge has a value, and it is my knowledge over many years of learning. Okay, but I will give you your money back if you do not think that my course is doing what I tell you it's doing. A 30-day money back, no quibble guarantee. I'm taking the risk, not you. All you need to do is buy the course and get on with it. Okay, so check out my website. You go to this page, rickmcavoyphotography.com/courses, and you will find a link there where you can buy my course and just get straight into it. Okay, instant access. Right, I'm saying okay far too many times here, and I don't normally do that. I normally say so far too often. That was the full video of this week's blog post. A 1-minute short will be coming up as well, because for some reason I get hundreds of views on those, and we have to play the system, don't we? So thank you for watching. Any questions, email me, sales@rickmcavoyphotography.co.uk. Okay then, take care, and I'll see you next week on the next video on a different but related subject. Cheers from me, Rick.